The VTech 221 Mark Audio Baby Monitor stands out as a reliable and feature-rich choice. With its impressive range, vibrating sound alert, talkback intercom, and nightlight loop, this monitor provides parents with the peace of mind they deserve. One of the standout features of the VTech 221 Marks is its impressive range of up to 1,000 feet. This extended range allows parents to move freely around their homes without losing connection to their baby's audio feed. Whether you're in the living room catching up on your favorite show or outside tending to chores, you can trust that you'll always be within reach of your little one. The vibrating sound alert feature is another highlight of this baby monitor. It ensures that even in noisy environments, such as a bustling household or a raucous party, you won't miss a single sound from your baby. The monitor alerts you silently through gentle vibrations, providing you with the convenience of monitoring your child without disturbing others or disrupting your surroundings. The talkback intercom feature is a game changer for busy parents. With just the press of a button, you can soothe your baby with your voice from any room in the house. Whether your little one is feeling fussy, needs reassurance, or simply wants to hear the sound of your voice, this feature allows you to provide comfort and support without having to physically be by their side. The nightlight loop function adds a touch of comfort and convenience to the VTech 221 Marks. By connecting any standard nightlight, sold separately, to the monitor, you can create a soothing environment for your baby. The gentle glow will provide a sense of security during the night, making it easier for your little one to fall asleep and stay asleep. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.